Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the virus scan of your Samsung A41. To this operation, go down to settings here and search for option which is gonna be named device care. And there is option security. Here we have deactivated security, so we need to turn on, powered by MKFE. Then we can of course scan phone to search the virus. If we have something problem in our phone, the application will be remove all the virus or inform us about the problem with our phone or the virus or software we don't want to have on our phone. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!